Drive like a pro, think, react, drive smart. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will check how well you know road signs. I've prepared for you some interesting and slightly tricky examples that every driver should understand. So get comfortable, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the video, write in the comments how many right answers you got. So let's start. In the picture, we can see a white rectangular regulatory sign with a black left turn arrow crossed out by a red circle and diagonal slash. This is one of the most common signs in urban areas, especially near intersections or traffic lights, and it provides a clear instruction about turning restrictions. Question: what does this road sign mean? Possible answers. Answer 1. The right lane is closed ahead. Answer 2. The left lane is closed ahead. Answer 3. Right turns are prohibited. Answer 4. Left turns are prohibited. Explanation. Answer 4. Left turns are prohibited. Correct. The red circle with a diagonal slash is an international symbol for prohibition. The black arrow pointing left shows a specific maneuver that is not allowed. This means that drivers are not permitted to make a left turn at this intersection. This restriction is often used to maintain smoother traffic flow, prevent congestion, or improve safety where left turns could interfere with oncoming vehicles or pedestrians. Answer 3, right turns are prohibited. Wrong. The sign shows a left turn arrow, not a right one. If right turns were prohibited, the arrow would point to the right instead. Answer 1, the right lane is closed ahead. Wrong. This sign does not refer to lane closures or construction zones. Lane closure signs are typically orange with black symbols or text. Answer 2, the left lane is closed ahead. Wrong. Similarly, lane closure signs have a different color and shape and are not circular with slashes. Final conclusion: this sign means left turns are prohibited. Drivers approaching this intersection must continue straight or turn right if permitted. Ignoring this sign could lead to a fine or create a dangerous traffic situation. The next road sign is a yellow diamond-shaped warning sign with the image of a truck descending on a steep slope. This sign is commonly placed in hilly or mountainous regions, where drivers must prepare for a significant change in elevation. Question: what does this road sign indicate? Possible answers. Answer 1, a steep downgrade ahead. Answer 2, a slippery road ahead. Answer 3, trucks turning ahead. Explanation. Answer 1, a steep downgrade ahead. Correct. The image of a truck going downhill warns drivers that there is a steep descent ahead. This is especially important for truck drivers or heavy vehicles, as they need to shift to a lower gear and control their speed before going down the slope to prevent brake failure. Answer 2, a slippery road ahead. Wrong. A slippery road sign shows a car with skid marks behind it, not a truck on a slope. It indicates a potential loss of traction, not a steep grade. Answer 3, trucks turning ahead. Wrong. A sign warning of trucks turning typically shows a truck silhouette without a slope, sometimes accompanied by additional text like trucks entering. Final conclusion: this sign means a steep downgrade ahead. Drivers should reduce speed, shift to a lower gear, and stay alert, especially if operating a heavy or loaded vehicle. The next road sign is a yellow, diamond-shaped warning sign that shows a car with wavy skid marks behind it. This is one of the most common warning signs, and it plays a very important role in ensuring driver safety, especially during rainy or icy weather conditions. It warns that the road ahead may be slippery when wet, so drivers should adjust their speed and driving behavior accordingly. Question: this sign warns that. Answer 1, there is a gravel road with sharp curves ahead. Drivers must proceed carefully. Answer 2, the road is slippery when wet. Drivers must go slow. Answer 3, a winding road is ahead. Drivers should follow the directions. Detailed explanation. Answer 2, the road is slippery when wet. Drivers must go slow. Correct. This sign specifically alerts drivers that the road surface becomes slippery when it's wet, icy, or covered with oil or dirt. It does not mean that the road is always slippery, but that extra caution is needed in certain conditions. When you see this sign, you should slow down before reaching the area. Sudden braking can cause skidding. Avoid sharp turns or quick acceleration. Maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, since stopping distance increases on wet roads. Drive smoothly and avoid jerky movements of the steering wheel. The curving tire marks on the sign symbolize the path of a car losing traction, a warning of potential skidding. Answer 1. There is a gravel road with sharp curves ahead. Incorrect. A gravel road sign usually depicts uneven or loose gravel, not a skidding car. Gravel surfaces can cause sliding, but that situation is represented by a different symbol. Answer 3. A winding road is ahead. Incorrect. A winding road sign looks different. It usually shows a solid curvy arrow that represents the turns ahead. It does not show a car or skid marks. Summary. The sign in the image warns drivers that the road may be slippery when wet. Drivers should reduce speed, drive smoothly, and keep a safe distance from other vehicles to avoid losing control of their car. Final answer. The road is slippery when wet. Drivers must go slow. The next road sign is a white regulatory sign with two black arrows, one pointing straight ahead and the other pointing to the left. This sign informs drivers that they are allowed to either go straight or turn left from their lane. It helps guide traffic at intersections and ensures that drivers choose a permitted direction of travel. Question: what does this sign mean? Possible answers. Answer 1. Merge left. Answer 2. Go straight. Answer 3. Turn left or go straight. Explanation. Answer 3. Turn left or go straight. Incorrect. The two arrows indicate the possible directions drivers can take, straight ahead or left. It's commonly placed before intersections to show lane options. Answer 1. Merge left. Wrong. A merge sign looks different. It usually shows two lanes joining into one, not arrows branching apart. Answer 2. Go straight. Wrong. While going straight is one of the options, the sign clearly includes a left turn arrow as well, so it means both directions are allowed. Final conclusion. This sign means drivers may go straight or turn left. They should choose their direction and stay in the correct lane before reaching the intersection. The next situation is, you are driving in the city and see a white rectangular sign with a black arrow pointing straight up and the word "only" written below it. The sign is posted on the right side of the street, and the road ahead continues straight between buildings. This sign gives drivers a clear instruction about which direction they are allowed to go from that lane. Question: what does this sign indicate? Answer 1. Look straight while driving. Answer 2. There is a one-way street ahead. Answer 3. You can only go straight. Detailed explanation. Answer 3. You can only go straight. This regulatory sign means that drivers in this lane are allowed to go straight ahead only. Turning left or right is not permitted. It is commonly found at intersections or where lane directions are controlled to improve traffic flow and safety. When you see this sign, you should continue driving straight through the intersection. Avoid turning in any direction. Stay alert for pedestrians and cross traffic that may be crossing ahead. Follow lane markings that guide traffic straight ahead. This sign helps prevent confusion and collisions caused by unexpected turns. Answer 1. Look straight while driving. Incorrect. The sign does not tell you to look straight. It regulates the direction your vehicle must travel, not where you should look. Answer 2. There is a one-way street ahead. Incorrect. Although this sign can appear on roads that are part of a one-way system, its specific meaning is that you may proceed straight only. A one-way sign looks different. It is black and white with a horizontal arrow showing the direction of traffic flow. Summary: the sign indicates that drivers must go straight only. Turning left or right is prohibited. Always follow the arrow's direction to ensure safe and legal driving. Final answer: you can only go straight. Subscribe and never miss road signs lessons.